In this video, I'll show you how to get the Google Play Store on your Samsung Smart TV. Step 1. Check your TV model. First, check if your Samsung Smart TV supports Android apps. Most Samsung TVs use Tizen OS, which doesn't support Google Play Store natively. Step 2. Use an Android TV box or streaming device. Since Samsung TVs don't come with Google Play Store, the easiest way is to use an Android TV box like the NVIDIA Shield, Amazon Fire TV Stick, or Google Chromecast with Google TV. Plug the device into your TV's HDMI port. Step 3. Set up your Android TV device. Turn on your TV and switch to the HDMI input. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to Wi-Fi and sign in to your Google account. And now, you can access the Google Play Store and download apps directly on the Android TV interface. Step 4. Cast or screen mirror, optional. Alternatively, you can use screen mirroring or casting from your Android phone to your Samsung Smart TV. This lets you run apps from your phone while viewing on the TV. Important note: Samsung Smart TVs don't have native Google Play Store support because they run on Tizen OS. Using an external device is the best solution in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tricks.